Welcome to Jent Tech, your go-to source for the latest in technology and software. To access settings, click the Apple menu in the top left corner, then select System Preferences. Inside, you'll find a world of customization. Adjust display preferences for a vibrant experience. Tailor trackpad and mouse settings for seamless navigation. Enhance security with Touch ID or Face ID. Fine-tune sound, keyboard, and language settings. Dive into privacy to control app permissions. And that's just the beginning. Mac Ventura empowers you to personalize your device, ensuring it fits your style and preferences. I love hearing from our community, so don't hesitate to drop a comment below with any inquiries or thoughts you might have. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button.